How to set PA VPN on Samsung. Open the settings. Open the connections. Open the More Connection settings. Select VPN. On the top right corner you type ADT VPN. Fill in VPN details such as VPN name, VPN server, etc. Select the type of VPN to add. Your network administrator will provide you with all your VPN information. Simply select your desired protocol and enter all the information. The required settings will depend on the type of VPN selected. Hit Save. You can connect by going back to the VPN settings and selecting your VPN of choice. You will be asked to enter a username and password. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.